Nice, I love it. Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Anyway, today we want to make weight loss drink. This one you can have it in the morning when you're having your breakfast or lunchtime. You can drink a nice, lovely tropical punch, tropical fruit slices drink. Alright, right here I have some fruits which I brought from the supermarket, slice up. And then, you know what I mean, I have them in the fridge and it came to my mind and one mind said to me, say, you know what, I could make like a healthy weight loss drink. So what we want to do today is to tell you what I have, exactly what we're going to use inside of the smoothie blender right here. First of all, you need pineapple. This is the older pineapple. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4 slices of pineapple. Alright? 4 slices of pineapple, put it in straight inside of your smoothie ninja blender at your home. Then next, mango. 1, 2, 3 slices of mango. Put it straight inside of a ninja smoothie blender at home. This is some Julie melon, or some people call it yellow melon. Alright, we're gonna put it straight inside of it like this. 3 pieces. Alright, that's how it look. Then next, I got some mango juice, which I'm going to use inside of it like this. Roughly about 1/4 cups of mango juice. Nice one. And all you're going to do is put on your blender cover, just like this, and blend this for 4 to 5 minutes, and then you can have a nice lovely drink for weight loss. Nice and lovely. So basically I just finished blending it. This one, look at this. Nice and lovely. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo is talking about. Mango, yellow melon, pineapple, and mango juice. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel and that the weight loss drink. And see you next time. And this is Chef Ricardo on the team. Very easy. You can have this in the morning with your breakfast. Nice lovely smoothie or a nice lovely juice, whatever you like to have it, guys. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is just tips from Chef Ricardo on the team. Bye bye. Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Is a fantastic recipe. This is the juice bar drink, but today I'm going to show you can make yourself fresh mint and cucumber drink. All right, so first of all you need to have cut the cucumber into half. Cucumber is really good for you. Cut it up very small, and I'm going to put it straight inside of this is my smoothie bottle, which I'm going to put it straight into. And you're going to get this off. Nice one. Just pop it straight in it like this. And like this. This is some fresh mint. Just gonna cut off the stalk right here. And remove this bit. This bit, put it straight inside of it like this. Get the ginger. Cut up your ginger really fine. Nice one. Nice lovely slices of ginger and lemon. So we're going to be blending this. Nice one. I love my mint and cucumber drink. The next thing what we're going to do is, I got roughly, as I can see, 3/4 glass of water. Pour straight inside of it, just to make the blender free up. Then next, put roughly about 2 teaspoons of honey. You don't have to, but if you like, you can put it in it. Cover. And blend this about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, 3 to 4 minutes will be really good. Nice and lovely. So just finish blend it. Basically I'm gonna pour it in my glass. Well, this is just a nice, lovely cucumber drink right here, as you can see. That's the way it looks. Really nice and lovely, guys, as you can see. Fantastic drink. So hopefully you will enjoy it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comments. And this is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Fresh mint, fresh lemon, ginger and cucumber juice. Enjoy it, subscribe and leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching my show. See you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Anyway, today I brought some sugar cane from one of my friend Caribbean restaurant. He sent sugar cane, and this one is straight from Jamaica, guys. Fresh and nice, and this one is sweet. And I'm gonna show you how to make your own sugarcane juice at home. Look at this. I'm already starting to cut some inside of my Smoothie Ninja blender. If you got a juicer machine, is better, because I can put the cane straight down in the juicer machine, suck out the juice and put the trash one side. I doesn't have that. I got a Ninja blender. So what I'm gonna do is cut up my sugar cane and put it straight inside of it like that. Alright? Beautiful. And this cane is coming straight from Jamaica, fresh and nice. And I'm telling you, it's amazing. And all I'm going to do is cut a lovely chunk of piece of a ginger like this. And I'm gonna put this straight inside of it. But what I'm gonna say to you guys, this is a little bit too much cane in it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend some first. And then we're going to add the rest, alright? So this is what inside of it already. And all I'm going to do is put a little bit of water in it, about roughly half glass of water to free up the blender. And I'm gonna put a 2 pieces of a ginger also inside of it, because you need the blender to get freed up, alright? Lovely. I'm gonna be blending this for about 4 to 5 seconds. Nice. So I just finished blending cane juice. So basically what we're going to do now is straining. Alright? You need to have a strainer like this. Alright? Look at this. So cane juice. The beauty with the cane juice, I put some ginger in it just to bring up the flavor. Really nice. Really nice, guys. Nice. So I finished straining it off, and now what we're going to do, put a half of a lemon inside of it. I love lemon. This is just to bring up the flavor of the cane juice. Nice one. Oh, good Jamaican sugar cane juice from Chef Ricardo today. Right? So that's it right here. Look at that. Beautiful Jamaican sugar cane juice. And what you're going to do is serve it with some ice. Look at that. That is beautiful and really nice. Jamaican sugar cane juice from Chef Ricardo with lemon and ginger. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe ideas and more stuff coming your way. Thank you so much and see you next time, and this is from the team. Bye bye.